Hello, good evening. Good evening. Welcome to this channel. My name is Nanapoko, a let me say, up and coming content creator. You can also subscribe to this channel, and also let us help each other so you can build our channel. I started, one thing, the reason why I am doing this video is that I want to tell something so that you can meet your requirement so fast and quickly as soon as possible. Yeah, I created this channel about 3 years ago, but the problem was that I wasn't active. So I wasn't posting anything that much. Once a while, I post a video. So until recently, I decided to post more video, and I was looking at a one thing whereby I can get my public watch hours so fast. So I came up with this plan that will help me most. So I decided to do this. That's why I wanted to share with my audience and whoever watching me right now. I decided to do this video so that you can take a clue from it and start your own, or you go by let me say you can learn something from it out of it. That's why I decided to do this video. Before, like I was saying before, I created this channel about 3 years ago. Until recently, I decided to post some videos here. So if you want to get your requirement, getting 4,000 public watch hours is not easy. It takes a whole lot. Sometimes you can be frustrated and abandon your channel. But this here is the case. One thing you need to do is create long videos. Create long videos. Let me say about 30 minutes or 1 hour, you see, or 20 minutes. It helps a lot. As for my situation, because my content is, or my channel is based on the team that I support in Ghana, Asante Kotoko. That's the team I support here. So everything in this channel based on that particular team that I support here in Ghana. So I decided, because I wanted to get my 4,000 watch hours so fast that, so within a week I was able to achieve that. Everything. If you really want to do this, or you want to take this content creation and stuff as your full-time job, there's a whole thing you need to do. Yes. So I decided to post long videos, 1 hour or maybe 30 minutes. So I posted, I think I posted 3 videos. It's very long. It's 1 hour, 1 hour 30 minutes, or like that, something like that. You mean? So, and that videos I was able to get more views, like 6,000 views, some are 3,000. So if I check the minute that people watch, it helps me a lot. 1 hour video, and someone was able to watch that particular video 20 minutes, or 15 minutes, calculated times 1,000 or 2,000. It's a whole lot of views or minutes that you'll be getting. that one to also help me a lot. So if you are, or if you want to get your distance, your public watch hours so quick or fast, this is what you need to do. Long videos, it helps a lot, or it matters the most. So that's what I want to share with my audience, or my subscribers, or anybody out there. Please don't stop. Continue. Gradually you get there. So within a week, I was able to achieve my goals. I was able to achieve my goals. So one day I was there, and then YouTube sent me a message or emailed me that I can apply for monetization or join the YPP. You see, that's what I did. So take a clue from me. So I decided to share this with my audience, and also you too, you can do something about it. So join me. Let's all help each other. Shalom, peace. Bye bye.